Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today from the 10th arithmetic progression chapter, we will solve two more problems, and these are very important from the point of view of examination, and they are long answer type questions. In that first question is find ABC such that the numbers are in AP A7, B23 and C. So the terms of the AP are A, 7, B, 23 and C. 5 terms are there. We have to find ABC in the arithmetic progression. So how we can solve this? The given expression is A, 7, B, 23 and C. When these terms are in arithmetic progression means common difference is also equal. So the common difference D equal to A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 and A5 minus A3. By using this we will solve the problem and find the value of ABC. Therefore common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus A, and A3 minus A2. This common difference is also equal to this common difference, that is B minus 7. Next B4 minus B3, this common difference is also equal, that is 23 minus B. This common difference is equal to A5 minus A4, that is fifth term minus fourth term, that is C minus 23. Suppose this is the first common difference, this is the second common, this is third difference and this is the fourth difference, means these all four are equal. Now by using this first and second equation, we will find the value of B, or second and third, or third and fourth. First we will consider the second and third equation, because here also B is there and in the third term also B is there. So we will equate second and third term, that is B minus 7 equal to 23 minus B. We will transfer B to the LHS. B plus B equal to 23, transfer minus 7 to RHS, it becomes plus 7, that is B plus B, 2B equal to 30, that is B equal to 30 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 5s are 15. The value of B is 15. Now coming to the A. A is in the first term, first common difference, and we know B value. By equating these two, first and second, we will get the value of A. That is, this is the first one, and second one is 7 minus A equal to B minus 7. That is 7 minus A. B is 15. 15 minus 7. That is 7 minus A equal to 15 minus 7 is 8. That is 7, transfer this 8 to the LHS, it becomes minus 8, and minus when it comes to the RHS, it becomes plus A. That is minus 1 equal to A, or A equal to minus 1. Now we got the value A, B and now C. So here is that C in the fourth term. So we will equate, either we will equate third term or fourth term, otherwise first and fourth, because we know A and B. Now we will equate first term, that is 7 minus A equal to C minus 23. That is 7 minus A equal to C minus 23. We know A equal to minus 1, that is 7 minus into A equal to minus 1, C minus 23. That is 7 minus into minus plus 1, C minus 23. This is 8. 8 equal to C minus 23. C, let it be in the RHS only because it's positive. C 8, and transfer this to the RHS, it becomes plus 23. That is C equal to 31. Therefore the values of A, B, C are: A is minus 1 and B is 15 and C is 31. So this is the answer for the first one. Now second question is Find the sum of all the 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. Here how many terms are there in the AP? 11 terms are there, that is n. And the only given is middle term is given. In 11 terms, middle term is 30. And what you have to find? You have to find the sum of all terms. Find it means S11 you have to find, and middle term is 30 and n equal to 11. So how to solve? First we will write the total number of terms. How many number of terms? Number of terms equal to 11. This is n. And middle term equal to 30. And how will you find the middle term? Middle term means you have to find the which term is 30. Since the number of terms are odd, so to find the middle term when the numbers are odd, there is one formula, that is middle term. Middle term equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. N is number of terms, that is 11 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 11 plus 1, 12 by 2, 2 ones are 2 6. This is 6 term. That is 6th term of the AP is 30 and this is the middlemost term. So there are actually two formulas. When odd number is given, we will use this formula to find the middle term, that is n plus 1 divided by 2. When even number is there, when even numbers are there, there is another formula we will discuss later. Now the 6th term, that is A6. A6 equal to 30. This is the middle term. Now the n term of an AP is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A6, that is a plus 6 minus 1 into d. We know that A6, 6th term is how much? 30. That is 30 equal to a plus 5d. We will take this as a equation 1. Now again we have to find the sum of 11 terms, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for finding the sum of n terms. Question is we have to find S11, that is S11 equal to n is 11 by 2 into 2a plus n is 11 minus 1 into d. That is 11 by 2, 2a plus 11 minus 1, 10d. We will take 2 from this common, from these two terms, 11 by 2 into 2, remaining a plus 5d. But from equation 1, a plus 5d equal to 30, that we will put the value here, a plus 5d equal to 30. That is 11 by 2 into 2 into 30, because from equation 1. That is 2 ones are 11 into 30, that is 330. This is what? Sum of 11 terms. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I will solve more problems.